What's up, guys? Today, we're diving deep into the wild world of anti-aging science and one man's quest to outsmart Father Time himself. Have you heard about that crazy tech billionaire dude who is obsessed with living forever? His name is Bryan Johnson, and he's dropping such insane amounts of cash on anti-aging research that even Elon had to blush. We're talking tens of millions of dollars to essentially try to become an immortal being. Now, this guy is either a total whack job or he's onto something huge. So stick around as we dive into the wild world of Johnson's quest to crack the code on aging and see if his sci-fi dreams to not just stop the clock, but reverse it, could actually become a reality. Now, I know what you're thinking. Who is this kooky, rich son of a gun, and why the hell does he want to live forever so badly? Well, let me go ahead and paint you a picture then, folks. Bryan Johnson made his fortune in the online payment processing game, founding Braintree back in the late 90s. After cashing out and selling it for over $800 million to PayPal in 2013, he had enough money to literally do whatever he wanted for the rest of his life. But instead of blowing it all on yachts, private islands, and Epstein-esque parties, Johnson got obsessed with this idea of using science to extend the human lifespan indefinitely. He started looking into all the cutting-edge anti-aging research and theories on biological immortality. And rather than just putting a little money into it as a fun hobby, like Charlie Sheen on a VLT machine, Johnson went all in, establishing a whole company called Kernel, dedicated to achieving neural protection against age-related diseases and the deterioration of the brain and body. Big Bad Bryan has been using his fortune to hack biology, all in the name of eternal youth. And guess what? The latest research suggests he might be onto something big. So what exactly is Johnson working on, and how much progress has he made so far? Well, strap in, because this is where it gets wild. Johnson has invested over $38 million into an incredibly ambitious project called Project Blueprint. The goal? To understand the human body at a molecular and computational level in order to stop and reverse the aging process. He's bringing together an all-star team of over 30 scientists and researchers from places like Harvard, Stanford, and MIT. They're using cutting-edge tools like AI, machine learning, genomics, and stem cell therapies to try to map out how aging unfolds. One of the key focuses is on epigenetics, how genes are expressed over time based on environmental factors. Johnson believes if we can understand and control the epigenetic software of aging, we may be able to hack the code of longevity. Some of the therapies they're exploring include plasma dilution to remove aging molecules, wearable blue light devices to reduce inflammation, and even crazy sci-fi stuff like regrowing the thymus gland to restore the immune system. Sounds a little bit more intriguing than Botox IV drips and getting your face stretched and tightened over your skull, doesn't it? Johnson himself has become a true guinea pig. He's on an intense daily regimen of supplements, wearable tech monitoring, and even regular muscle biopsies and spinal taps to analyze his rate of aging. On top of that is the research into small extracellular vesicles, or SEVs. Small extracellular vesicles are tiny particles that our cells use to communicate. Think of them as microscopic Amazon package carriers delivering vital info throughout your body. And the latest studies, like the one published in Nature, are showing these little guys have some serious anti-aging powers. So, what's the big deal with SEVs? Well, researchers are finding out that SEVs can offer chronic and acute anti-aging benefits. In simpler terms, these vesicles might just be the key to unlocking longer, healthier lives. And here's the kicker. They could significantly improve mitochondrial health. You know, those powerhouses in your cells that keep you running like a well-oiled machine. Let's talk about mitochondria for a second. These little power plants in our cells are crucial for energy production. When they're happy, you're happy. And guess what makes them really happy? SEVs. These vesicles can enhance mitochondrial function, keeping your cells youthful and vibrant. Now, here's the part that's blowing scientists' minds. Researchers have been experimenting with transferring young human SEVs to aged, out-of-work mice. The results? Mind-boggling. These old geriatric mice started showing signs of rejuvenation, becoming more energetic and healthier. Imagine what this could mean for us humans. So, what's inside these magical vesicles? Among other things, they carry microRNA that can boost PGC1 alpha, a protein that's a master regulator of mitochondrial biogenesis. Layman's translation, it helps your body make more and better mitochondria. This could be a game changer in the fight against aging. Bryan Johnson is betting big on this science. He's living proof that the pursuit of youth isn't just about vanity. It's about longevity and quality of life. His commitment to this cause is inspiring and, let's be honest, a little bit crazy. But hey, all great breakthroughs start with a bit of madness, right? The research is still in its early stages, but the potential here is enormous. If SEVs can rejuvenate old mice, who knows what they can do for humans? We might be on the brink of a new era in anti-aging science, thanks to wealthy visionaries like Bryan Johnson. So, what do you think of Bryan Johnson's wild anti-aging adventures? Is he onto something big, or is this just another pipe dream? Either way, the science is fascinating, and the possibilities are endless. Well, if you're as excited about this as we are, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share this video with all your friends, family, and especially your grandparents. Let's spread the word and keep exploring the cutting edge of anti-aging and biohacking together. Whether you think Johnson is a visionary or just an eccentric billionaire with too much money to throw around, you have to admit his work is pushing the boundaries of what we think is possible when it comes to human aging and longevity. Will he actually achieve his dream of biological immortality? Who knows? But one thing is for sure. The anti-aging field is heating up, and guys like Johnson are driving it forward in crazy new directions. Remember, age is just a number, and with the right knowledge, we might just make it irrelevant. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video.